In this lecture, we will see about something called as bitwise operator. So, before I explain what is a bitwise operator, let me just take a simple example. Let me take a equals to 5 and b equals to 3, and I will print the result of a and b. So, let us see what answer it is giving. So, answer here it is coming as 1. So, why 1 is coming? Because 5 into 3 or 5 plus 3 or 5 subtraction 3, nothing, no answer is 1 here. So, what kind of operation is happening there, so that we are getting the value of 1. So, that's where we are going to see. So, now bitwise operator here comes into picture, and here AND that I have written here, this AND is nothing but it is called as a bitwise operator. And why it is called as a bitwise operator? That is because it operates on each and every individual bit of a decimal number system, as it's a equivalent binary number system. So, here what is happening, let us understand this in bitwise operator. So, basically here value of 5 in binary is what? 101 I can write. So, value of binary of 5 is 101, and here I will write here the value of 5 in binary is. So, binary is I will write 0 1 and we can write 1 1 also, but for it will be easy to understand, that is why I am writing 0 1 1. Now, here what is happening when I write print a and b? So, it is doing the AND operation between the individual bits of the binary representation. So, individual bits means 1. So, here 1 0 1 the value decimal value is 5, but the individual values like 1 0 and 1 separately, it going to operate on that. So, here what will be the result, let us see. So, first is 1 and 1, the first bit of the number 1 and first bit of the number 2 also. So, if I take 1 and 1 here, that answer becomes 1 and 1 with a AND logic gate, it becomes 1, right. So, here let me write the answer so that it will be easy. So, here I will write the answer. So, first one is the value is 1, because 1 and 1 is 1. Next is 0 and 1. Find 0 and 1. The answer is 0 there. So, I will write just 0. Next is 1 and 0. In 1 and 0 is value is also 0. So, I will just write 0 0 1. Now, you see, if you convert this 0 0 1 to the decimal, so what will come? So, if I convert this to decimal, then the answer becomes 1 here, right. So, that is what the answer is coming now. So, now let us take another example so that we can understand it in a better way. So, for a other example, let me take some variable x, that is value is equals to y, and let me take y is equals to, let us say your 6. Fine. Now, here what will happen? So, first we will convert it to equivalent binary. So, here the binary form of 12 will be 1100. Okay, so that's I remembered I have written, or else you can find in the normal way. And the binary value of 6 in this case will be written as so it will be written was 6, right, 0 1 1 0, because the other one is represented as 4 bits. So, here we are also writing that is 4 bit, and in this case if I print the value of x and y, so let us see what output is coming. So, not result, sorry, print. So, let us see what result is coming. 4 is coming. So, how 4 is coming? Let us see here. Now, it is going to do the bitwise AND operation. So, 0 and first 1 and 0 if I take, the answer is 0, then 1 and 1 the answer is 1 here, then 0 and 1 answer is 0, and then 0 and 0 answer is 0. So, 100 is nothing but in binary, if you convert that to decimal, that becomes the value 4 in your binary operation, sorry, in your decimal number system, right. So, this is how the AND operation, or also called as bitwise operation, is used, and you should remember that this AND is valid if it is written in a symbol. So, it is not valid if you write A and D AND. Okay, so that are two different things. So, if I print A and D, A and B bar, so it is just printing the second values, right. So, A and B is not the correct answer. So, the correct answer is writing that as A and B. So, in the next video we will see that how the OR bitwise operator works. So please watch the next video.